Alright guys, so today is a very special day, and I know I'm going to let you all know there's going to be some swearing words because this is my gift from Jordy and I have got no idea what's in it. Jordy wanted to send me it over, and I know there was a few guys chipped in to help to get it shipped over, and I'd just like to say thank you to all of you for helping out, and I want to say thanks to everyone too for subscribing and sort of supporting me out with my channel. I really appreciate it guys. So today's going to be very exciting because I'm going to unbox this box and we'll see what the gifts are from our Jordy. So let's get into it. First I'm going to grab my big knife. What do you think of that knife, Rick? Got a knife like that, Rick? That's just a wee toy, Rick, I know. You've got knives that says that box there, mate, I know. Okay, but let's get into it. Gonna get it opened up here, guys. Let's see what's in the box. More Jordy. I'm very excited. There we go, as usual. They're well wrapped up. You know, how many times have we all unboxed these videos and we're all waiting on somebody losing a finger? One of these days it'll maybe happen. Let's see where we're at. Oh, holy shit, look at the size of that, guys. Oh, let's see here. Let me get her lifted around. Put this knife down, guys. What this says. Johnston 2018. Jordy, thank you very much, bro. I'm in great anticipation here, mate. I'm very excited. So here we go. Thank you very much, Jordy, mate. Let's get this open here, guys. See what's in it. He's ready, guys. I'm excited as fuck. Here we go. You serious, Jordy? You serious, bro? You serious, bro? Bro, that was up at your spirit trail, bro, wasn't it? Mate. Bro. Oh, bro. Thanks very much, bro. I love that. See that there? That wee face you done, Jordy? That's what inspired that clock, mate. That very face you done there. That's what inspired my spirit clock, bro. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Jordy, thank you very much, bro. This is definitely going to be class, bro, at the trail. Unreal. Thank you very much, Jordy. Whew. Speechless, bro. What can I say, guys? Let's put this here. What have we got here? Carbon Fusion stickers, guys. Big shout out to the Carbon Fusion family. We're the wood carvers, guys. I know where that's going. Up in the tent. Let's put them in there. That's the wee carving station. There's something else here, guys. Check this out. T-shirt. Oh, Jordy. Thank you very much, bro. Look at that, guys. Carbon fusion. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Thank you, bro. Check it out, guys. Carbon fusion. Best channel on YouTube. Unreal. Oh, yes. Look at that. Thank you, bro. There we go. Oh, yes. I've got one for me and one for the wife. How about that? That's me and the missus sorted out now. We'll be fucking repping our carbon fusion gear all the way. Ah, holy shit. What is this, Jordy? Oh, mate. Check this out, guys. You see what this says? Holy shit. Let's put this up. Bro. Thank you, Jordy. Yeah. Bro, thank you very much, mate. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. The first official sign from the Spirit Trails. Holy shit. Look at that, guys. Jordy, thank you very much, bro. I really, really appreciate that. I cannot wait to get these two signs put up now, bro. Oh, bro. Thank you, mate. Isn't that awesome, dude? Check that out, guys. The Spirit Ninja. Huh? Love up, bro. Thank you. From all the way from Ladner, BC, guys, in Canada. That's for my bro Jordy. Both of them. Look at that. Jordy, thank you very much, mate. Absolutely. Thank you very much, bro. I'm gonna go now, guys. I'm absolutely buzzing. I'm so excited, and like I say, thank you to everybody that helped donate to Jordy to get these over till now. And a special thanks to Jordy for everything, bro, because you've taught me everything I know about carving. And I'm sure you continue to, bro, because you're always learning. The more you learn, the more I learn, and the more we all learn. So thanks very much, bro, and thank you to the whole Carbon Fusion family. Everybody, stay creative. As Just Carve Rob says, stay awesome and carve something awesome, everybody. Just be happy, guys. Stay creative. Here we go. Thank you very much, Jordy. I'll see you all soon, guys.